Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we will learn that it is a problem in which we have to solve by using log. You can see that it is comparatively more complex as compared to the previous one. This contains a fraction, and in numerator and denominator, there are the two terms each. And this 92 has a different exponent or a cube root, 246 has a different power, 83 and 125, 127 are without any exponent. So we are going to solve it as we will take the whole question equals to some number x, and then we will proceed as explained in the previous videos that you will apply log on both sides, and you will use brackets, and you will indicate 92 as power of 1 by 3, and 127 will be as it is. 246 will be written as 1 raised to power 1 by 5. Now it's the time to apply the laws of logarithm, because you can see that there are actually 4 terms which are being used, and 2 are in numerator, 2 are in denominator, and every term is different. They are not enclosed in a single power this time. So what we will do, that we will use first law of second law, that it will split 83 times 92 raised to power 1 by 3 as a single term, minus time log 127 246 raised to power 1 by 3 as separate term. Like this one. So I have done this because of second law. So I will quote the reference like why I have done it. This is second law's reference, that any two numbers which are written with log in fraction form, log convert them as a difference of logarithms. Now every part in numerator and denominator, they are in the form of product. You can see that. So we will first convert this product as sum of logarithms. Log 83 plus log 92 raised to power 1 by 3. This is in the very first part. Same will be done. Keep this negative sign out and apply log inside. You would write log 127 plus log 246. Its power is 1 by 3, like this one. In the next step, I will write it like log 83. I have not quoted the reference, so I will mention it first. This is because of first law. Log of m times n is equals to log m plus log n. Because I have converted the product of two terms as sum of the logarithms. So I will write it in the next step. So this will become log 83. Now next step, I would like to convert this power 1 by 3 as multiple of log. Similarly, this 1 by 3 will also be converted as multiple of log. So we have done it before in many parts. So you will write it as 1 by 3 times log 92. So please be careful, keep this negative sign out. And log 127 plus 1 by 3 times log 246. Now this is log 83 plus 1 by 3, what we have done in this part. We have converted the exponents to multiples. So I would write the reference right in front of it somewhere here. So log m raised to power n was n times log. So you can write the step on your notebook in 2 lines or even in 3 lines, but do write the reference whatever we are using it. So if we move ahead, okay, keep 1 by 3 log 92 as it is. Now shift this negative sign inside, it will make log 127 minus 1 by 3 log 246. Right? And now you are in a position that you can use calculators to find the log of these 4 numbers. So just slight correction, this was 92. I would write the logarithms by using calculators. So first number is 83, so its log will be 1 point something. It is 1.9191. And log 92, this is keep 1 by 3 outside, and 1.9638, the logarithm of 92, minus log 127, this is 2.1038 minus 1 by 3 times log 246. This is 2.3909. Now we need to simplify these expressions first, this one and this one. Both of these will be simplified first, then we will further simplify the expressions. Divided by 3, 1.9638 divided by 3 will give us, this whole expression will become 0.6546, and this expression 2.3909 divided by 3 will give me 0.7970, and these two numbers will be as it is, no change at all, 1.9191. Now you have gotten 4 numbers in such a way that you can now use your calculators to find a single number, which is the required for right before taking the anti-log. So I'm going to simplify it. 1.9191 plus 0.6546 minus 2.1038 minus 0.7970. So the single answer will become, this is equals to minus 0.3271. So this is equals to log x. Now final step is we have to take anti-logarithm of this number. Number is, so log x is equals to minus 0.3271. So we'll apply anti-log of log x, anti-log of 0.3271. So log anti-log will be cancelled. You will get x equals to, and you will perform anti-log by using shift, log, calculator already stores its value. So minus 3.271, its anti-log will give us 0.47 9. So this is how you will finish the question. So in this problem, we have learned that obviously this is a little bit complex problem. Uh, how did we start? Just I'm going to summarize it and then I would explain it to you all of you. Okay, the first of all, once again, my focus is there that you will have to see what is the shape of the question. It is a fraction which contains different terms with different exponents. So this in this question, all the parts are not enclosed in a single power as it was in the other problem we have solved earlier. So very first step, you have to apply the second law because question is in the simple fraction form or in the complex fraction form. You will apply the second law, and it will be written as log of numerator minus time log of denominator. This we have done because of the second law of logarithm, as I have quoted here in the yellow. You can see the reference to reference that why I have done this step. Its reference is right below it. And in the next step, this power 1 by 3 and so what I'm going to do that there is a slight correction in the question. Instead of taking 5, I have taken it as 3 as well. So I would write it 3 throughout the question. Okay. So what I would like to do that I will change this 1 by 3 and this 1 by 3 as multiples of log. So I've shifted this 1 by 3 with multiple of logarithm, and you can see that this will become 1 by 3 times log 92, and this 1 by 3 will become multiple of log in the next step 1 by 3 times log 246. This is because of the third law of logarithm. Log m raised to power n is equal to n times log m. So in my point of view, the question's complexity or the number of steps which are increased from in any complex problem is because of the application of the laws of logarithm. Because if you will perform the questions directly, there are many chances that you will do something wrong in the question. So after the application of the third law, we are in a position now that you can open the bracket. So what we have done, once you will remove this bracket sign, this negative will change the signs of inside term. So it will become minus 1 to 7 minus 1 by 3. Now use calculators to find the logarithms. 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. Find the logarithms with the calculators. Divide these two numbers, 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 by with the help of calculators. You will get these two numbers, and then you will find a single number after the simplification. Minus 0.3271 is equals to log x. In the last step that you have to take the anti-logarithm. So you would write log x equals to this number and apply anti-log on both sides. By using calculator, you will find 0.4709. In this way, you will finish the question. I have done a slight change in the statement of the question. It was actually 5, so I have done it 3. I have taken the cube root and I have proceeded the question by taking the cube root throughout the question. So I hope that you will be able to understand after watching this question. This was what I should say, it's a comparatively more complex as compared to the previous examples. So once again, so do practice it and keep watching all these videos so that you can clear your concept, and then you can ask me about all of these questions in another online session in which we will take only questions from you, all of the students, and I would like to answer these I would like to answer your questions. So keep watching and keep practicing. Thank you.